The special session may be over, but we're still awaiting one of the most pivotal parts of the process, signing those policies into law. In particular, the polarizing Senate Bill 4, which gives Texas sweeping new authority to essentially act as its own immigration law enforcement. It gives officers authority to detain undocumented migrants and, if a judge deems it necessary, send them back to the country they came from.
Republican voters, particularly Republican primary voters, favor highly restrictive and punitive measures when it comes to immigration and border security, and they think the issue is very important.
Constitutionally, that authority rests with the federal government, not the state. And almost immediately after the legislature passed Senate Bill 4, the American Civil Liberties Union, or ACLU, threatened a lawsuit. David Donati is a senior staff attorney with the ACLU.
Our goal is to file the lawsuit far enough in advance of the entry into effect of the law in March of 2024 that we're able to present our argument in court and make sure that it's heard in time to prevent this law from ever going into effect and resulting in the arrest of a person.
Governor Greg Abbott still has some time to sign the policy into law, and last month in a statement on X, formerly known as Twitter, he said he intended to do so. If so, that could be round 2 for Texas challenging federal authority over the border after legal defeats earlier this month for Abbott's border operations. An appeals court had ordered Texas to move the floating barrier of buoys in the Rio Grande to the riverbank, and a federal judge has authorized Border Patrol to continue cutting razor wire at the southern border. Abbott has threatened to take his case to the Supreme Court. If and when Senate Bill 4 takes effect, it may give him another chance to have his day in court.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.